Alright, space enthusiasts, buckle up. Today, I'm diving into what NASA isn't telling us about the moon. Now you might be thinking, what could they possibly be hiding? Well, let me tell you, it's more thrilling than you might imagine. Let's start with the basics. We all know NASA landed on the moon in 1969 with Apollo 11, right? But what about the missions after that? Apollo 12, 14, 15, 16, and 17 all followed, but then, radio silence. No more manned missions to the moon. But here's where it gets interesting. NASA hasn't stopped their lunar activities. In fact, they've been quite busy. Enter Project Artemis. Named after the twin sister of Apollo, Artemis aims to return humans to the moon by 2025. But what's the catch? According to some insiders, Artemis isn't just about setting foot on the moon again. The real goal is to establish a sustained human presence on the lunar surface. Imagine a moon base complete with habitats, research labs, and even mining operations. Yes, you heard that right, mining. The moon is rich in helium-3, a potential fuel for nuclear fusion and other valuable resources. NASA's silent pursuit of these resources could redefine our energy landscape back on Earth. And it doesn't stop there. Rumor has it that NASA has been collaborating with international partners and private companies in secretive projects. Think SpaceX, Blue Origin, and the European Space Agency. This global effort is about more than just scientific curiosity. It's a race to harness lunar resources and expand human presence beyond Earth. But why the secrecy? Well, the moon is a strategic asset. Controlling it means having a foothold in space, a critical advantage in both technological and geopolitical terms. The moon could serve as a launch pad for missions to Mars and beyond, a stepping stone for humanity's next giant leap. Now, let's talk about the discoveries. NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter has been mapping the moon in unprecedented detail since 2009. They've found evidence of water ice at the poles and strange magnetic anomalies. There's even speculation about hidden lava tubes that could provide natural shelter for future lunar settlers. So what's really happening on the moon? It's a blend of scientific exploration, resource acquisition, and strategic positioning. NASA's hidden lunar projects are part of a broader vision for humanity's future in space. And while they might not tell us everything, the clues are out there if you know where to look. In the end, the moon is more than a desolate rock orbiting our planet. It's a gateway to the stars and a canvas for our wildest dreams. So, keep your eyes on the skies because the next chapter of lunar exploration is just beginning. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to stay updated on the latest space secrets and discoveries. Thanks for watching and keep wondering what's out there.